Hello everyone, welcome back. So I'm now in Kandy. I did arrive yesterday, but I felt really unwell yesterday. There was something wrong with my stomach, but the guy at the hostel was really nice. He gave me like some medicine, and I hadn't really been eating properly, but I have now and I feel a lot better. So I'm staying at Banana Bunks in Kandy. It's like on a hill, so Kandy is a very like mountainous place. I'm just about to make my way to the big Buddha. It's like a white Buddha that sits over Kandy, looking down on everyone. It looks really cool, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. And then afterwards I might go to the Kandy lake. It's like a big famous lake. So yeah, I'll take you along and I hope you enjoy. So this is my hostel room. My bed's just here. It's a bit messy. It's an 8-bed dorm, but there's only actually 2 of us in here now. It's got a little light there, a plug, and then it's got underbed storage just here. A nice big window that lets a lot of light in, and then a mirror here. And then I'll just show you the outside now. This is the outside, and then there's 2 shower bathrooms. Quite big in here. It has like an overhead shower, which is good. And then there's also a pool just up some steps up there, so I'll show you that soon. But for now, I'm going to head to the Big Buddha. So I've just got to the temple. I had to take off my shoes and my hat, and I've been given this little outfit to wear and to cover my shoulders and my legs. I'll just show you the Buddha. Pretty and very nice. The view was amazing, and it was 300 rupees to get in. And then when I was in there, some guy like told me to come over, like he was in like a little kiosk thing, and I was like, okay, I'll just go over. And then it was like a donations thing, and obviously you don't have to donate, but I felt bad. And he was like, so you can pay 1,000, 2,500, and I was like, I'll give 100. And then like he had like, because he had different books for each like price, and then he'd hidden like the 150 rupees like booklet that he has to fill out, so he was like only offering the higher prices, which I found quite funny. But yeah, obviously you don't have to do that. I just felt drawn in. I felt like I couldn't say no. If it helps the Big Buddha out, I'm happy to do it. So I'm now in a tuk-tuk on the way to Ambuluwawa Tower, if that's how you say it. And it takes like an hour from my hostel, so from like the centre of Kandy to get there. And it's costing me 4,000 rupees in the tuk-tuk. I'm going there quite late, so I hope it's going to be alright. But it's like a spirally tower. And when you get to the top, it's really narrow. It looks quite dangerous, so we'll see how it goes.
like the pyramid here?
Yeah.
Pyramid here, Colombo,
Okay.
and go to the Hella.
Yeah. And what's this river called? What's the river called? Do you know?
The pyramid.
There's some monkeys here. So I just arrived at the Ambuluwawa, if that's how you say it, the tower. And it's pretty cool up here. They've got some horses behind me. And I'm really out of breath, so I just walked up those steps. My tuk truck driver was so nice. He stopped off at this bridge on the way and got some pictures for me. Got a couple of videos, but that was really cool. And now I'm about to climb up this huge tower. So it starts off like this inside, and I think you get to an outdoor bit, but we will see. I'm so tired already. My legs really hurt.
The flood. So this is one humidifier, sprays some water humidity, and after oxygen fluctuation will change in the color.
So I didn't have time to film before, but I'm currently in a tea factory. It's called Ceylon Tea, and now I'm about to try some different types of tea, so that's really exciting. It's one of the largest tea factories in Sri Lanka here, so yeah, it's pretty cool. So this morning I'm going to Sigiriya Rock, which is a really famous landmark here. Landmark? Is it a landmark? I don't know. It's a massive rock. I think it was formed from a volcano plug, and it's like this huge red rock that you can hike up, and then yeah, the views are amazing. I think I'm going to go to the one that's opposite the rock first, because people have said that it's actually better, like the view, because you can see the full rock, whereas if you climb up the actual Sigiriya Lion Rock, obviously you can't see the actual rock, you're just on the rock. So I'm going to do that first, and then see if I still want to do the Sigiriya Rock, because the Sigiriya Rock is $30, so it's actually quite expensive for kind of an attraction in Sri Lanka. So we're just hiking to the other rock. It's quite a steep hike. I'm not sure of the name of it, so I'll put it on the screen. But you have to go through a temple. So I had to buy like a skirt thing to cover up. But I've taken it off now because I'm going to be really hot walking up there. Yeah, this hike is a lot harder than I thought. Don't know how far we are to the top, but it's very steep and uneven. So we had to hike up all of these rocks to get up here, and now we're finally at the top. So you can walk across the whole entire rock, which is pretty cool. Like, people are just chilling all around. This is my tuk-tuk driver slash tour guide. What? I forgot your name. Premji. He's helped me get up because I was struggling. We just got some cold coconuts, which is hitting the spot after that long hike because I'm sweating, if you can see. So I'm now at Rawana Spice Garden, and they're showing me around their gardens with all the different spices and stuff. He's just gone to get me some sort of drink, welcome drink, but all this is completely free. I think at the end they just obviously try and get you to buy something. Yesterday with the tea thing was the same, and I felt really bad, but like I couldn't fit anything else in my suitcase. I'll see what they've got here today, but yeah, the tea was like huge, and I was like, I'm really sorry, but I cannot fit that in my suitcase. So yeah, I'll try and get some clips of what this is like. So this is like all the ingredients that they use for things, and then I just got a herbal tea. It's actually really nice. He said it was ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, and vanilla, I think. It's actually really nice. I was expecting not to like that.
This is cinnamon. You know cinnamon? The smell we make sticks. We don't take matured bark, young branch.
Apparently now I'm getting a facial. I've got all these bits on me. It's like herbal remedies. He was talking about like Viagra and things that make your nipples bigger. I'm back at my hotel now, and I've had this bruschetta every day since I've been here. It's so nice. And this is the view. This is like the common area bit. It's been raining again, of course. So I'm just walking to the Temple of the Tooth now, and they have like some sort of cultural celebration here, I think. I'm meeting two of my friends that I made from the hostel. So yeah, hopefully it should be good. that is the end of the Kandy vlog. I hope you've all enjoyed the video. There was definitely a lot more stuff that I could have done, but I just haven't had the time to do it basically. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed, and now I'm making my way to Ella. So it's going to be Ella and Ella, which I find really exciting. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch you in the next video.